What's going on, everyone? Papa Joe's Garage here. Just going to be doing a quick video on some welding. I'm making a ramp for my trailer. It is extremely overkill, but it was a double gate for my new service truck. We put a lift gate on it, so we didn't need the gate on it, so I was able to acquire that instead of it going to scrap. It is incredibly heavy. It's overbuilt. The welds aren't the greatest, but I mean, it's just for mowers and walking up. Light use. So it is what it is. Don't judge me. I also saved this from scrap. I'm not sure what it is for, but I'm hoping I'll be able to use it for the new trailer project, whether it be the new gate for the back or whatever. But I'm a hoarder, what can I say? Well, I'm tired. It's time to go home. It turned out about as well as I thought it would, but I haven't welded in a while, so it'll take a minute to get it back. But until next time, have a good one.